Now imagine a swimming pool, but not in your backyard. This one is on the roof, so high up it feels like you could touch the clouds. That's the first surprise waiting for you. Welcome! Today we are going inside one of Dubai's most incredible private homes. They call it Villa Alreem. This isn't just a big house. It's a $38 million work of art, built for a life most of us can only dream of. And I'm going to walk you through every single part of it. By the end, you'll feel like you've been here yourself. Let's start outside. From the street, the house doesn't even look real. It's all clean, sharp lines, covered in this beautiful, warm, cream-colored stone. There are huge walls of glass everywhere. It looks modern, but it also feels strong and permanent. The property sits on a huge piece of land, 13,000 square feet. But the architects didn't just build out. They built up, way up. So the total space inside this home is a mind-blowing 23,000 square feet. To put that in perspective, that's bigger than many supermarkets. What's inside all that space? 5 amazing bedrooms. And get this, 12 bathrooms. I know it sounds like a lot, but in a home this size, it makes sense. There's a gym, offices, rooms we haven't even named yet. But listing rooms is boring. The magic isn't in how many rooms there are. The magic is in what's inside them. The feeling you get when you walk through the door. So, let's walk through the door. First, you enter through a private courtyard. The same beautiful stone is under your feet. There's a quiet water feature here, the sound of trickling water. In the heat of Dubai, that sound is instantly calming. It's a tiny moment of peace before you step inside. And then, you see the front door. It's enormous. It looks like it would take 3 people to push it open. But you give it a gentle push, and it moves smoothly, silently, like it's weightless. That's your first clue that nothing in this house is ordinary. You step inside, and you just have to stop. Your breath catches. You're standing in a main entry hall, but calling it a hall is a joke. It's a giant, open space that shoots up through the very center of the house. You can look straight down to the lowest floor and straight up to the very top. The ceiling is 14 meters above you. That's taller than a 4-story building. And at the very top, you can see the bottom of a swimming pool. Yes, the pool from the roof. Its floor is made of thick, clear acrylic, so the sunlight shines right through it. The light dances on the walls down here, making patterns that move like water. It's beautiful. The walls around you are not plain. One giant wall is covered in rough, textured stone. They told me it's volcanic rock, actual lava stone. Next to it, the floor is a smooth, polished Italian marble, cool underfoot. The combination is incredible. Rough and smooth, raw and refined. It feels powerful. This huge, open area is the heart of the home. It's designed for living, for real life. Even though it's one big space, it's cleverly broken into different zones so it still feels cozy. Over here, by the lava wall, is a sitting area. The couches are deep and comfortable in rich brown leather. There's a giant, soft rug that defines the space. This is where you'd relax with a book or have a quiet conversation. In the middle of the room is the dining area. The table is long enough to seat a big family for a huge dinner party. Above it, the ceiling is covered in dark, warm wood, which makes the space feel intimate even though the room is so vast. And then, you look up. Hanging above the table is a chandelier. But this is not a normal light. It is made of hundreds of hand-blown glass cubes, each one clear and sparkling like ice. They're all hung at different lengths, and if you watch closely, you can see them sway just a little in the air currents. It looks like a frozen waterfall or a shower of diamonds. It's completely mesmerizing. Across the room, there's another lounge area, perfect for watching movies on the huge, hidden screen. The attention to detail is everywhere. The stitching on the leather, the way the shelves are built into the wall, it's all perfect. Now, let's talk about the kitchen. Because this kitchen is for someone who loves to cook, but hates a messy-looking kitchen. At first glance, it looks like a stylish lounge with a big stone island in the middle. Where are the appliances? Where's the sink? It's all hidden. The cabinets are sleek and handleless, made by a famous German company. You just gently push and they open. The island is a stunning piece of black quartz. But here's the coolest part. See this section of the wall? It's actually a secret door. You give it a light push and two tall, thin pocket doors slide out from the walls, meeting in the middle. Behind them is the sink and the faucet. You can do the dishes, prep your food, and when you're done, you give the door a little nudge. It closes itself, smoothly and silently, hiding everything away. Your kitchen is instantly clean and clutter-free. It's brilliant and simple. Now, let's go upstairs to where the bedrooms are. We'll take the main staircase, which is a piece of art itself, but this house also has a giant elevator that can fit a dozen people. The view from the upstairs hallway is already incredible. You can look over the railing, down into that grand entrance hall, and see the light from the pool still dancing. You feel connected to the whole house from up here. And now, the main bedroom, or, as I like to call it, the private apartment. You walk in, and the first thing you see is the view. A whole wall is glass, looking out over the community and toward the Dubai skyline in the distance. The bed is positioned to enjoy that view every morning. But the room is huge. So, to one side, they've created a separate bathing area. It's not just a bathroom shoved in a corner. It's a dedicated space. In the center, right in front of the window, is a beautiful freestanding bathtub. Imagine soaking there, looking out at the city lights at night. Next to it, behind a glass wall, is the shower. And shower is not the right word. It's a full spa wet room. It's so big, with multiple shower heads, that it feels like a high-end hotel spa. And it has the same breathtaking view. The marble in here is stunning. Each slab was cut and placed next to its mirror image, so the pattern flows perfectly. It's called book matching, and it's a sign of true luxury. Then, there's the walk-in closet. It's the size of a small clothing store. Racks for hanging clothes, shelf for shoes and bags, all neatly organized. And when you open a drawer or walk into a section, soft lights automatically turn on. The drawers are lined with soft leather. It's a space that makes getting dressed feel special. This bedroom has its own private balcony too. Stepping outside, the air is warm. And from here, if you look carefully between the other luxury villas, you can see the very tip of the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, sparkling in the distance. It's a reminder of just where you are. But we're not done going up. We have to go to the roof. You step out of the elevator, and you're on top of the world. This is the rooftop terrace. And right in the middle is that famous 18-meter-long infinity pool. The water seems to blend into the edge of the building and meet the sky. Swimming here, you feel like you're floating above the city. There's a full outdoor kitchen with a barbecue, perfect for evening parties with friends. For when the night gets a little cooler, there's a covered lounge area with cozy seating and a fire pit in the middle. You can tap a button and a roof above this lounge silently retracts so you can sit under the stars. In one corner, standing proud, is a majestic, ancient olive tree. They told me it's over 200 years old. Can you imagine the effort to bring a living tree that old, that big, all the way up to a rooftop? It shows that no detail was too small, no dream too big. After the rooftop, you think you've seen it all. But this house has one more incredible level, the basement. Now forget everything you think about basements, dark, damp, storage areas. This is nothing like that. Light pours down from the glass-bottomed pool above, making the whole space bright and airy. It feels like a stylish lounge, not a basement at all. This floor is for fun and wellness. There's a state-of-the-art home gym here, with the best equipment. Next to it, a billiards table for games. There's a beautiful, quiet home office with its own private courtyard garden, a perfect place to think or take a call. And then, there are rooms you'd never expect, like a full, professional hair salon. That's right, a salon chair, sinks, the works. You could have your stylist come to your home. Next to it is a treatment room for massages or beauty treatments. This isn't just a house, it's a personal resort. But the real showstopper of the basement might be for your cars. The garage here isn't a concrete box. It's a marble-lined showroom. The floors and walls are polished stone. It's air-conditioned to protect the cars. And the cars get a view. They look out through glass to the illuminated garden pool outside. Even the cars live in luxury. And that brings us to our final stop, the backyard. The main garden pool is another 18-meter beauty, surrounded by sun loungers and palm trees. As night falls, The whole pool and garden are lit up with a soft glow. There's a swim-up bar at one end. This is the place for big family gatherings, for lazy weekend afternoons, for making memories. Standing here, looking back at the house, it all comes together. This $38 million home is more than expensive materials and crazy square footage. It's about a feeling. It's the feeling of light flooding through the center of your home. It's the surprise of finding a spa in your bedroom. It's the joy of swimming under the open sky on your own rooftop. It's the quiet peace of a private courtyard. It was built by a team of architects, designers, and engineers who all worked together from the same vision. They didn't just want to build a big house. They wanted to build a perfect experience. A place where every single detail, from the giant front door to the leather-lined drawers, was thought about. A place that isn't just lived in, but is truly loved. So what do you think? Could you see yourself living here? Which room was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into one of the world's most amazing homes, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And don't forget to subscribe to Winds of Thought and hit the bell icon. We bring you tours of incredible places every week, showing you the artistry and stories behind them. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.